Hello my YouTube friends, this is Noah with Save Green here, and I'm going to do a speed test on the MintSim network. Currently we are in Miami, Florida, or an area near Miami, Florida. It's Miramar, as you can see on the bottom part of the screen. And if you notice very carefully, it does say there we are on LTE, on Mint, and you can see that down at the bottom, and also T-Mobile, which is our current server. So I want to also point something out. If you look over here, our Wi-Fi is disabled, so you can see that crossed out, and you also see the Mint sign at the top left-hand corner of the screen. So we are definitely going to do this test not on Wi-Fi, but on the T-Mobile LTE, again, like it's shown at the bottom of the screen on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we got 38.9 megabits per second in Miami, Florida on the T-Mobile network, which is being used by Mint. And then also the upload speed is 9.5 megabits per second, which is also very good. But as you can see here, folks, being on the MintSim network, you are actually using T-Mobile's network, and you're paying a fraction of what it would cost. Again, I want to show you that the Mint is showing there on the top left, and that the Wi-Fi is disabled. And again, it's a no-brainer to go to MintSim versus T-Mobile or even Metro PCS. Thank you once again for watching. This is Noah with Save Green here.